Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you 300 pips we were able to catch with the Neo indicator slash expert advisor. So like I've told you guys and girls, what you're seeing on the chart right now is a trend trading indicator and it's based on break and retest happening, and we will just go down to the 15-minute time frame in order to gain our entry. This indicator is also going to have an expert advisor built in, so the trades I'm showing you right now, you will literally be able to switch on a bot when it's about to happen and the bot will take the trade for you automatically. So let's get straight into it. So right now we're looking for a buy on AUDJPY. We're just waiting for a liquidity grab and then we'll see what happens from there. Okay, right now we can see our liquidity grab has happened in the market and it's given us a possible idea that there could be a break of structure right over here in the market. We're just waiting to see if that happens. And right over there, you can see the break of structure has happened. So what this does help you with, these little squares you can see here, again, it lets you see ahead of time where the break of structure can actually happen with price action, as we have seen here. And this would have been a period where the bot would automatically take a trade for you. So the bot would have entered a buy position here for you, and you can set your stop loss just below this low in the settings, or you can make it a little bit further just in case they come back to retest this low. But again, you would have been in this trade like this. Now, when you're looking for a take profit, you're just looking for 94 pips for a buy for TP1, and then for TP2 you're looking for 189 pips. You do have the confirmation of stop hunt 1 here actually being bullish, so it's telling you that you should definitely be looking for a buy trade. Now there are other confluences I go through, not too many. It's about 3 more confluences that have already happened, and if you just look at the video in the description below, the playlist, I go through that on Neo, explaining what the confluences are when we're taking these types of trade setups. So right over here, what you can see is all of this happening. We entered the market over here. We was looking for at least 93 pips. The market did hit 93 pips around here. So our take profit 1 was hit. When that actually happens, what you would do is just move your stop loss from here to here, or the EA, the expert advisor, would do that for you. And now this is a risk-free trade. The expert advisor would also take partial profits for you up here. So this is a risk-free trade and you've already banked some money off this trade. You don't have to take partial profits if you don't want to. So you would still be able to take this trade, seeing what happens, and make more money whilst trading this pair. But let's say we have taken our partial profits. Okay, so the market's not going to go much further now because this is strategy tester and it only lets me show a previous day, not the actual day. But if we just push this down here from our entry to up here, we was able to get about 117 pips. So it didn't go exactly to TP2, but that's fine because we've made money on this trade and we could have closed out when it went to TP1, or we could have just left our break even there. So this is AUDJPY. It's showing us that you should pretty much be looking for an exit in this trade because stop hunt 1 has started to go blue. So that's giving you a caution sign, telling you that you might want to come out of this trade or again secure some profits. Okay, so now we're on CAD JPY and you can see it's pretty much the same setup. We're looking for buys. We just need one last liquidity hunt to actually happen, but it is telling us that it is pretty much ready to give us a buy trade setup. It's even turned blue here again, so it's giving us another confluence to say straight away that you definitely should be looking for your buy trade setup, as it could happen very soon. So let's just wait for the liquidity grab. And right now you can see the liquidity grab is happening. So I do know that this did change from a blue to a 5, but it's because it's telling you it's still registering as a buy setup. And even if it did do something like that, again, it's because it's reading real-time price action with no lagging. So it's trying to tell you that, hey, you should definitely be looking for a buy trade here because it could be giving you an even better trade setup. So now we've had the liquidity grab happen. We've also had the break of structure as you've seen in real time. And again, the EA would have taken the trade for you from here. Here's where your entry would be. And then your stop loss would be just below this last low here. Remember, you would be switching on auto trading as price action was down here. And then when the break of structure happened, this is literally what would have happened here with the chart. The EA would have entered here and put a stop loss here or lower, depending on how you set up the settings for the EA. Now, when it comes to TP1, we are looking for 91 pips and then TP2, 183. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is a good push in the market right now. And let's see what happened from here to where price action actually is. So remember, we was only looking for 94 pips. So when price got to this area here, your take profit one would have been hit. So it pretty much went to this high over here. And that was fantastic for us. Again, what you would do at that point is you would have taken your stop loss from here to break even, and you would have taken partial profits on this trade. Now, again, you did start to see this flash, and this is why I'm trying to tell you it's a real time, no lagging indicator. So it's giving you a heads up immediately, telling you that, hey, you might want to get out of this trade. A sell might happen. Now, it did turn back to a green color, telling you that you could possibly hold this trade. What is perfect for you, because it's managed to go an ADR length, you've put your stop loss right here at break even, so you're losing no money, and you would have been able to take partial profits on this trade. So the previous trade, you would have taken partial profits, and this one also. Now let's see what happens. So as it's right near the market close, I'm going to stop it right there on this pair, because what actually happened is that price did buy a bit more, but then we saw a massive stop hunt. So you would have been taken out for a break even with your partial profits. But this is fantastic for you. This is exactly how the EA would be able to get you in these types of trade setups whilst you're busy and away from the charts. Okay, now we're on Euro JPY, and as you can see, the same confluence is here. It's telling us we should be looking for a buy trade. We're just waiting for one last liquidity grab. Again, if you're not too sure what I mean by the liquidity grab or the other confluences like the supply demand area, you can just go into the playlist that is in the description below, and I have many videos there where I show a full explanation on how this indicator works. Today, I just want to give you an update on the successful trades that I did speak about in my VIP Zoom call. And again, the product, the Neo indicator / expert advisor, helped you to catch these pips. So right now we have seen the stop hunt happen, and this is great because again, it's turned it to a blue color for us, telling us that we should definitely be looking for a entry into this pair when we get our break of structure. We can already see there's a break of structure level here. So let's see if this one is respected. Now you're at a point in the market where what you would actually do is be setting on your auto trading now, and the bot would take this buy trade for you as soon as this break of structure actually does break. So you just literally press this button and all of that would happen for you as long as you have set up the settings to whatever you need in terms of risk management. Just how I told you before, there was a break of structure. The bot would have taken the trade for you right from here, and then your stop loss could be just below this low over here. And again, we're looking for 124 pips for TP1 and 249 pips for TP2. And we're just going to stop it right there at the moment. So let's see how many pips this was. So right over here is where take profit one would have been achieved. And this is fantastic. Again, you would have literally just taken your stop loss from the stop loss area to the break even area right here at entry. And then now you would have also taken partial profits if you want to, and you could let the trade run on, or you could even close out the trade. But you can see already how this is amounting to 300 pips that was able to be achieved just from these trades so far. So as you can see, this is what I said, the market actually did close. We weren't able to see more that actually happened with price action, but a lot of the JPYs, especially the ones I did show you, they actually continued to buy up the next day before they did a reversal in London session, which was a very, very steep reversal. So it would have taken you out at break even. But remember, we have banked partial profits, at least on all of those trades that I did show you, or you would have been in a position where you did close out your trades and you made at least take profit 1 on 3 trades. So guys and girls, this is the NEO Indicator Expert Advisor. We're at 85% completion. We're just about to get to the end of it, where I'm going to put the supply areas in there, the demand areas, and the liquidity zones. And the EA settings is just going to be tweaked a little bit more for perfection for you guys and girls. If you want to become an investor in this product, then it is 100 Great British Pounds for you to become an investor. You can direct message me on Telegram or Discord. My information is below. There's also going to be VIP access for you, where I give out these trade entries in the signals. There's an alert notification, an Excel sheet for a trend dashboard, just like what you can see on NEO here, telling you that there's a certain trend on a pair. And on top of that, you get everything that is seen on the screen right over here. So guys and girls, if you do want to know anything more about this indicator, just please leave any comments below. This is definitely going to be completed soon. Do not miss out. You will get lifetime access for this indicator as it stands at the moment for the 100 Great British Pounds. But once it's released, it will change. This is a limited time offer, guys and girls. So you need to make sure you get in as soon as possible. This has been working like this since the beginning of the year to now. We've only had one negative week and every other week has been profitable. You do not want to miss out on this. This is years worth of back testing and data collection, and now I've made it into an indicator/expert advisor for you guys and girls. It's your boy Big John right now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.